Look who just woke up. Say hey. Say hey. Oh. I'm about to give him some cough medicine. This boy's heavy. I just finished getting Taylor's clothes out. So that's what she's wearing today because she has dance practice. So she's not even going to be wearing her outfit all day anyway. She's not going anywhere because Kim is sick. So... and she has a little cold too. Where are you going? What's that? I'm about to go ahead and get him dressed now. What's that?
If somebody says they don't like me, I say, that was a very nice. This is how God made me.
All right, that is a good lesson. Who taught you that?
Nobody. I did.
Who told you that? So you came with that all by yourself, Taylor?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I was working on it like every day.
You've been working on that every day?
Yeah, with like a computer.
With your computer?
But someday.
Huh?
There's someday I do it.
Just some days you work on that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me work on another one.
Oh, so you've been working on your comebacks. Okay. So
if someone say they don't like my baby brother, hey, I'll say, hey, that was a very nice. That's how God made my baby brother. I don't say I don't like you because that's how God made you. So you have to be a good person. So God can be so proud of you. But if you don't, God will be not proud of you. Because you'll be a bad guy. Bad guy is still supposed to be in our house.
that's right. Ain't no bad person coming in our house.
Because we will lock the door.
We sure will.
So no one will come and get my baby brother. But he's kind of crazy down there. I don't know why.
No.
But today
Leave it alone. I'm not finishing
is
here.
the best day ever, everyone. Because we always like people.
Put it back.
Bye.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Today I'm not going to school. Because one mission tomorrow I'm going to school. And Daddy had one work to do.
He has one more work day after today. Did he tell you that this morning?
Yeah, he said that. Do you hear him?
No.
That's why he was upstairs, put me in your room.
Hey y'all. Woo. Yeah, my hair still look crazy. So if you cannot hear, my voice is fading away. Last month I actually had laryngitis. This month the doctor, I just went to the doctor, he basically said that it sounds like I have the same thing. Wait, I'm gonna give you a chance. I'm gonna give you a chance. Taylor coming over here. Wait. So I decided to cook Thanksgiving, y'all. I look crazy. So we just got our groceries for Thanksgiving. I decided to cook Thanksgiving dinner. CJ said he's gonna be doing the vlogging because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to talk, but I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff we got. And Taylor is gonna be my little helper, right? Tomorrow. Every time I ask her to be my helper, she be like, or I ask her anything, she be like, today? No, tomorrow. I said tomorrow. All right, so I had to get some more pans. I got some sweet potatoes for the yams, and I'm gonna attempt to make sweet potato pie. Oh my goodness. We got some brown sugar. We got some stuffing. I like the stovetop stuffing. See, they don't even like stuffing at all, so he's not gonna be eating it anyway. So we're making some macaroni and cheese. We got some greens over there. I'm gonna put some kale in there too. We have ham. We have turkey wings. I'm not gonna do the full turkey this year. This is my first one, so I'm gonna do the turkey wings. CJ also doesn't care about turkey, so he was like, we don't have to make turkey. I was like, yes we do, we'll just make the wings. See, they didn't let this little boy out this gate. What else? What else, boo? What else you making?
What?
Hey, Dugga. Hey, Dugga. Stop.
I want to hold it.
We've been at home all day because we have not been feeling well. What he do to you? Cam. This is realness. This is what I deal with. Stop. Cam.
Hold it too.
Look at this little waddle.
I want to hold it too.
No. This is my camera. Get your own. Okay. I show him.
I love the camera at Mama House.
Huh?
I love my camera at Mama House.
What camera? What color is it?
It's pink.
Oh my goodness. I have to tell you something. Are you going to be sad? Camden threw your camera over the balcony at my house, and the camera broke into pieces, so I had to throw it away.
Oh,
It's okay. Come here. We're gonna. It's okay. No, I'm not lying. He did, y'all. I didn't know she even knew about that camera though. I didn't know she cared. But guess what? We can get another camera for Christmas. Guess what? Look, and he's like, I'm gonna break that one too.
Ain't nobody chasing you.
No. Alright, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. There's no point in you guys looking at us look a mess. We'll just talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Alright, go.
Hi
Taylor,
guys.
put it on.
Hi guys, my
Right
name is Taylor, and I know you always know me because you always see me. You always like my best shows, so that's why you always like about me stuff. But
What? They like your best jokes.
and I know you always love me, and I love you too. But I'll never say bye, blah 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 blah. I can be like,
Okay, move.
open.
So
the
we have a new package that we're about to open with you guys, and we're gonna see what Taylor thinks.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty like a toy. Huh?
Alright, open it please.
Huh?
Is it for me?
No, I don't think it's for boys.
Okay.
Put it down here. I don't think it's for boys.
I think it's for you and mommy. Do you want to guess what it is?
Yeah.
Do you want to guess? What could it be if it's for you and mommy?
It's your shirt.
A shirt? Okay, let's see. That was a good guess. Let's show the guys. It's matching aprons. Let's open it up. Back up. Come over here. Yes, come here. So we have so much work to do together, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna wear these and we're gonna cook for Thanksgiving together. How about that? I don't know how this goes.
You not gonna eat?
No, they're not.
Look at this, Nani. Cute, right?
Yeah, ow.
Y'all all there, huh?
Daddy said, do we think we all let? What you think?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we do think we all let? Okay.
This is our
That is so cute on you, Nani. Is
Wait,
it cute
we
on
have
you?
the same.
Yes, it's the same exact thing. This is the Taylor and Mommy cooking show.
Yeah.
We are, can you stand up please?
Sure. We are cookers.
We are cooking for Thanksgiving dinner. This is
Yeah.
our first Thanksgiving dinner cooking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because every day we don't do cooking. We
Yeah.
just stay at home. But today we're going to swim. My daddy's not going to work. And
We're gonna go ahead and get started.
yeah.
And we're sick.
Yeah.
All right.
Woo. Yeah.
Yeah, he is so sleepy. What are you doing? Huh? Uh-oh. Say hi. Yeah. He got Taylor's cup.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're so sleepy. Come here. Huh? Come here. Come here. Come on, mama. Say mama. Say mama. He's so silly. Yeah, you better stop doing that. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday. It is a new week. It's after Thanksgiving. I pray that you guys all had an amazing Thanksgiving. I did not get to vlog much at the end of last week because the whole household was sick. I literally went to patient first Tuesday of last week and on Thanksgiving morning. Taylor also had to go to patient first on Thanksgiving morning. And then I found out I had strep throat last night. My throat was like literally killing me. And I'm like, I don't know what is wrong with me. But I started my antibiotics yesterday. Cam finished his antibiotics for the pneumonia. I told you guys, I think that they already did the x-rays and said that they were clear. So he's good. And he's still nursing. So hopefully the antibiotics that I'm receiving, he'll also be getting that too, so that he doesn't get the strep throat. And we're just gonna say a prayer to Taylor, or CJ doesn't get it. I'm so tired of the sickness. I have wiped everything down in the house with Lysol and disinfectant wipes, but the doctor was saying that by the time you do the wiping and stuff of everything, whatever was going to spread has already spread. So I'm still gonna wipe. But I will talk to you guys later on next week. I hope you enjoyed the footage that I was able to get. Thanksgiving dinner was bomb. I did my thing. CJ loved it. We had greens, we had macaroni and cheese, we had yams, sweet potato pie, turkey, and ham and stuffing and rolls. So that was what our menu was. I don't think I gained any weight during the holidays. I don't think. I haven't gone on the scale yet. I'm nervous. But I will see you guys next week. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Cam said bye. Look at him. Say hi. Bye. What are you doing? Bye. Messing. Always, y'all. Always messing with something.